Abunge Kathumba ni bumirite na kumeneria kumatoka kwa Ngari Miraa iri cithirite ikireta mitino Kathumba rani ndebethirite bakira ministry ogendi ukumira na kwithira baikira Ngari mawatho bunge Runjenyes Karemba gwitiku Kathumba ne bikuye rinteretie mbuno ntuborwero rongari rana mabunge wembe North Juda State muwite antubai mbundika ba uchiangatani atete Ngari Miraa na Muguka akiwa Ngari Muguka ni chiwite thobothoku barabarene. Boniface Mongera na ntetoi
Renge na tareria garwe bungene nitengete kanya kayo gakiega na kwethura ikiariria rorero kugia ko Ngari Miraa ara gukurukira Mateta ya mbunge kumarotero Runjenyes Mp Karemba baba ingi babunge betekanirite yawe ati Ngari Miraa jithe shita mantame nonto bogitho bothoku na polisi na NTSA otuba kuthithia.
What is particularly concerning is that a journey which should typically take approximately 4 hours is being reduced to just under 2 hours by speeding Miraa transporters. This practice has caused significant loss of lives and serious injuries, including the tragic death of 2 people 2 days ago, with 2 others sustaining severe injuries as a result of accidents involving speeding Miraa vehicles.
There's a saying back at home that they say that the vehicle was very fast, kama zile za Miraa. So that is a saying, at the highway, because those vehicles, they really go very fast. They disregard all rules.
There's normally a speed limit in all roads in this country. Failure to enforce the speed limits is the continuing impunity by the traffic police and the general police in this country.
Bunge Karemba moshangi na bange na mwana kumarotero mon Kenya East bugete thirikari Kenya ni batera kwethura ikigura na kwethura ikinenkanira breaks injero kiringari Miraa nontu wethite bakinoga gochanga na nyankoroki kuthikanto bao.
What I always wonder, along our roads we have milk that is transported, we have meat that is transported in refrigerated trucks. Is Miraa more perishable than milk and meat and other products?
It's not in order to segregate Miraa drivers as if they don't follow the routes and the orders and the stipulated by the NTSA regulations. I think he is referring to Muguka and not Miraa. These are two distinct things. So he should differentiate the Muguka drivers and the Miraa drivers.
There is a lot of high speed. So the Ministry of Transport should ensure that none of the above, whether the drivers are carrying Miraa from Meru or from Embu, should be able to adhere to the regulations of speed.
Kagita wa kagita nako rorero kugia ko Ngari Miraa mwa Muguka irito ishumire kirikaro mwanya akenya mona atongeria bonabo kiri muthioro ari bakethiro bakiorotera rangiro polisi amona NTSA nontuba kuinjira medho ntetweje.
Juzi hapa kuna mheshimiwa amekuja akasema Meru kuna kansa sana, na mimi nataka kurejelea niseme hii gari inayopeleka huu mmea mbio ndio inasindikiza kansa sehemu zingine, mheshimiwa Spika, lakini kwa yote nasema ina speed ya juu. Ni kupongeze mheshimiwa mwenzangu waweze kupunguza ile speed ambayo wanapeleka zile gari, sijui wanakimbilia.
And sometimes when we meet the Miraa vehicles coming towards Nairobi, it will force you, Mr. Speaker, to move out of the road to stand and give them the way, because they are driven very carelessly with very high speed.
What Honorable Karemba is talking about, he's not talking about Miraa. He's talking about road safety. And I think that must be enforced.
Ukiume tuitite nakyo kamiti ogendi bunge nene ukurukiro tongero mukaririgite mubunge ondia George Karioki bakethro bakireta mashoke jao na konvika kumiraja gweta na mbere na ndi mukondo zungizo muri ketho juite mo kire NTSA amwarogiro traffic.
It is against this background that I seek for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Transport and Infrastructure addressing the following. 1. The immediate and long-term measures the ministry is taking to curb the frequent accidents caused by Miraa transport vehicles along the Nairobi-Meru highway. 2. The actions that are being taken to ensure that Miraa transport sector complies with the Traffic Act, Cap 403, and prioritizes road safety. And
I have narrowly escaped a head-on collision with them, not once, not twice. So, Honorable Taitum also, as we promote the product to which we have no issues, safety is as important.
Nke report ya Ntoshero TV kumaje kingine kine kimushusho Nairobi mbita Bonifas Mongera.